In this video, I'm going to record R151-819-820 from Pasir Ris to Tampines. As you can see, I recorded 833, 834 but haven't posted yet. We just come back for a while and oh, never mind. Okay, nice.
Doors are closing. Next station, Tampines. Change at the next station for the downtown line. This train service will end at Joo Koon.
Oh, so annoying, the screeching sound. Also don't really like what the screeching sounds a bit annoying. I don't like that kind of it. Ow. What?
Tampines. Change at this station for the downtown line. Tampines.
And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome afternoon, evening or night. Goodbye.